Okay, I don't very often eat breakfast because I do intermittent fasting, but today it's 11 o'clock and I need to leave to run some errands, so I want to break my fast and I want to have breakfast today. And we have chickens and I have a lot of eggs, so I want to show you how to make a quick and easy breakfast that's very keto friendly and very filling.
All right, so here we have my breakfast ingredients. I have the sautéed spinach. Now remember, look at the label. Spinach, not a lot of fat, lots of protein, carbs, 5 grams. You're going to subtract the dietary fiber, so that counts as 2 carbs. I'm going to balance out all those proteins with some pure avocado oil. Let's check this out. 14 grams of fat, 0 carbs, 0 protein. So it's a great way to increase your fat intake, and it's also delicious. I love my mozzarella pearls, so I'm going to include those in my breakfast today. I have an egg and I have an avocado. I eat probably at least half, but maybe a whole avocado every day. I'm going to include some cheese. Let's check out this cheese. Just trying to show you how to read labels. 8 grams of fat, 1 carb, 9 grams of protein. So again, we've got to balance out that protein with more fat. How are we going to get more fat? Well, check this out. In my drink, I love this golden turmeric chai tea by Stash. It's so good. It's steeping right here. I'm going to add almond milk to it. Almond milk has some fat, a little bit of protein, no carb. So that's a start. But also my heavy whipping cream. Heavy whipping cream is going to have 5 grams of fat, less than a gram of carbs, and 0 protein. Okay? All right, and then some people would call this clean keto because we're using all clean ingredients. If you want to do dirty keto, you can include a keto English muffin. I get these on Amazon, and let's check this nutrition out. 1.5 grams of fat, 24 grams of carbs, 20 of those are dietary fiber. So you're going to have 4 carbs altogether, 8 grams of protein. So see how this is keto friendly because it only has 4 grams of carbs, but it doesn't have a lot of fat and it does have a lot of protein. And you have to be careful because if you eat more than one, that might take you out of ketosis. So if you're going to have that, may I recommend covering it in this avocado oil mayo. This is 12 grams of fat, 0 carb, 0 protein. So it's all about that ratio.
I'm going to show you how I put all of this together to make a delicious breakfast and keeping in that ratio of 75% fat, 20% protein, 5% carb.
All right, so I did choose to have just half of one of those keto English muffins. I slathered it in that avocado mayo. And if you thought butter was good for toasting bread, you should try mayo. It's so good. I have my 1.5 cups of spinach here covered in avocado oil. And I have my whole egg frying in avocado oil with a sprinkle of salt. Okay, so I decided to cover my spinach with a little bit of that grated Parmesan cheese. And while this has been cooking, I went ahead and prepared my plate with some of those mozzarella pearls and half an avocado. Okay, so here's my finished mid-morning breakfast. I have the keto English muffin, just a half, with the bed of spinach and Parmesan cheese, my egg, mozzarella pearls, half an avocado, the turmeric tea with cream and almond milk. This is going to have all those delicious fats. It's going to fill me up, and I don't think I'll be hungry again until dinner time.